Okay, guys, my little project for today. What I'm going to do today is, now I purchased these things years ago. I want to say almost 4 years ago, before we even found a house to buy. We were in the process of looking for one, and I know I wanted this in our house because I just knew we were going to have like this his and her side vanity. The realization when you get to that point to be like, oh no, the budget is not asking for that. But they've been sitting in my closet, like I said, for years. If you could see, it's riddled with dust. So my plan is to spray paint them this nice little silver color. It has a metallic finish from Rust-Oleum. So I'm going to use this and spray paint them silver. I don't know what I'm going to do about these diamonds. I'm thinking about plucking them out of here and then re-gluing them after they dry, because I don't know how I could cover these so I don't spray them silver. And I'm going to show you guys where I'm going to put them. But yeah, this is them. Just says his and hers. They're showing it over 2 tiles. I thought about doing that in the bathroom, but it wouldn't work, of course. So let me show you where I'm going to put them. Okay, guys, this is the plan. On the closet, this is my side, this is his side. So I'm going to put them up here in silver, and it'll kind of go with this. Okay, y'all, my plan is to use this knife. Do not try this at home. And prick these diamonds up out of here and spray it and come back and add them later. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see me. Are you focused? Okay. Yeah, not too bad. I'm going to get a little... I'm going to use this little shot glass. I've been taking shots of this immunity kombucha at a... I'm going to try carefully. And get this out of here. So y'all, that's what I'm doing. As you can see, I done took 2 out. Okay, y'all, so I managed to get all the stones out of here. Got to the one on, hold on, y'all. Got to the one on the top. Went to pluck it, fell in the dishwater, can't find it. This one, I managed to get all of them out of here perfectly. So now I'm getting ready to take them outside and set them up to be sprayed. You probably can hear lawnmowers and stuff like that now, but I just went ahead and sprayed both of them. Trying to see how they look. They look pretty good to me. For some reason, this one came out perfectly even. This one was still acting a little splotchy. It might have been the way I was holding my thing. And as you can see, little bugs trying to crawl and get on there. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna put the diamonds back on there or not. What do you think? By this, it'd be too late though, but yeah, this is my little project. Okay guys, like I was saying, this is the one I use. Yeah, it matched perfectly with the finish, like on my dresser and stuff. Good to know. So like if anything was to happen, we scuff up the dresser, I'll probably just spray paint it with this. or use it. I think it's a crown or something up there, but I don't need it. We have this. Yeah, I'm super excited. It went on perfectly. You should try the Rust-Oleum Bright Coat Metallic Finish. Rich, shiny finish, fast drying. Because y'all, I didn't buy a top coat. Forgot. But yeah, this didn't. I think it was like $3.96 from Walmart. I'll come back out here and check it in a little bit. I'm not going to need another coat, so I can go ahead and put this stuff away. And I can just wait and I'll hang it up. You guys will see it when I'm done. Sorry about the lawnmower. Every weekend. My husband's supposed to get out there and do his too. So y'all, this is just like simple, easy spray paint DIY. Let you know at the end how it looked at the end of it. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to glue the diamonds back on here. I think this is the one that had all of the diamonds. So, got me a little nail polish. I don't know if I'm going to use this or the Gorilla Glue. Okay guys, so remember I was saying this was the diamond I lost the top in the sink. What I decided to use was these nail diamonds that I've been having for years and years and years. Just use that in my little skewer stick and went ahead, if it'll focus, come on, focus. You see it? Right there, just went ahead and put like 4 up there so it won't look empty and bare. Yeah, that's what I decided to do. Put the diamonds back, and that's it. Show you here it is. I don't know what I was about to say at first. This is what it's looking like. I don't think when I was putting it up I was in frame. Here I am back here in my little DIY clothes, but it looks good. Let me give you guys a good view. I think it looks amazing. Oh my god, it looks good to me. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick 10-minute DIY. I think it might have been 10 minutes for you all. I don't know how much footage I'm going to leave in there, but I thought this was a cute way to finally go ahead and use the pieces that I have. And yeah, I'm absolutely in love with this. So guys, talk to you later. Ciao.